Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make speed garage in the style of Double 99 inspired by their classic track Ripgroove. The project file, samples and preset are available for a small contribution in the description, and please consider liking the video and subscribing if you're new. The stems for Ripgroove are easy to find online, but I'm not going to link these here for copyright reasons. Our BPM is 129 and we are in the key of G minor. First, we have this 909 kick playing a 4 to the floor pattern. Then we have the drums group. We have the clap. The snare channel has two subtly different snare samples in a drum rack. These samples are together in a choke group. Next, we have the hats, which are 4 samples in a drum rack. As with the snares, we have 2 different closed hats for variety. And everything is in the same choke group. The closed hats are on the triplet 16th notes before the open hat, which creates groove. The hats have also been panned. Then we have the taiko. All the MIDI in the drums group has this 2-step groove applied. We have drum bus on the drums group to glue the drums together and an EQ, plus reverb applied via Send A, which is this empty club preset I often use. Next, we have the bass made with Massive. Notice how the bass line sort of follows the kick with an emphasis on quarter notes like in Ripgroove. We have a square wave taken down by 2 octaves. I've used the acid filter since it seemed to work best for this sound. The cutoff is being modulated by envelope 1, which is ramping up, and there's resonance on the filter. The voicing is mono rotate, and we have a classic tube for drive and EQ, boosting the sub, since the acid filter seems to attenuate these frequencies. On the channel, we have an EQ3 boosting the sub further, and EQ8 removing rumble and low mids, plus a sidechain compressor with the kick triggering the compression. Reverb is applied via Send A. Then we have the effects, which are this white noise riser, which I've stretched using the texture algorithm, and the ubiquitous wheel up siren with an echo applied. On the group, we have an EQ removing low frequencies, and reverb is applied via Send A. Then we have the vocals, we have the main vocal, which has drum bus applied mainly for damping, EQ, auto pan, which is modulating volume to create movement. There's chorus for width and an echo too. Like Ripgroove, we have a 2-beat phrase being repeated throughout. Then we have the dread vocal. This has the stretch quality like the Brockwild vocal in Ripgroove, and this can be achieved using the texture algorithm in Live, as I did with the riser. I'll link another video if you want to see more of an in-depth breakdown of this technique. On the channel, we have EQ and a dubby echo. On the group, reverb is applied via send A. And that's the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.